Welcome back to Life is a Mission roving team. But today we are not roving. You know, the roving team is the news team. So when you don't hear me say the roving team, what you know is some news I am bringing to you on this channel, Life is a Mission TV. So what you know what to do? Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you don't want to get certain latest news and stuff like that. Subscribe to the channel, Life is a Mission TV. You know, family oriented channel, you know. Just hit the thumbs up when you hit the video and please to watch the ads. Anyway, people, I come across a very disturbing video where I have a mixed views where the video is concerned. I have come across a similar video like this about a week or 2 weeks ago. Wanted to bring it to you people, but you know, I just said leave it alone. But good thing I did not delete that video. And for all YouTubers, you know, content creators, I should say, always remember, content is content. Don't delete no form of content that you have. Keep it. It might just come in handy one day, right? To prove either a point or something similar happen, and you know, you just want to show that, okay, see it here, this is something that is happening on a daily basis, a weekly basis, or a regular basis. All right, so I did not throw away that content. I still have it, and I decided to put it in this video. But mark me people, remember, whenever time I do these type of videos, you know, YouTube seems to have a problem with it in a sense where they review it, them fine comb it. Let me say fine comb it, because you know there's guidelines in YouTube where, you know, violence and certain stuff like that, and the showing of your syrup and stuff like that. So most time you might not be seeing the syrup, but probably the altercation that is going on, they fine comb it to probably make their own decision if it's violent content or what. So most time you find say them hold on the video them all 3 days and review it. You know, sometimes them review it and them decide that, okay, them now decide to change them decision, you have to just work with it. You understand? And it's not good most time when you post a video without ad suitability as a monetized channel, because it don't help your algorithm, one, and two, you know, people who are sponsoring their ads and stuff like that will review your channel and probably say, okay, no sir, too much of this, I don't want to associate my ads with this channel. And you need your channel to gain a revenue. So basically you try to don't post. Sometimes you might post some of them because you're not looking at the money part of it, but just to get the message out there. But at the same time, to be posting a lot of those contents that is continuously getting ad suitability, you understand, where you might get ads and you might don't get ads, which who in YouTube know the little yellow sign, dollar sign there, it's not good here. But if you want to get a message out there, and no problem, but don't try to make that be an habit of you posting videos with that yellow sign. It's not good for your channel. But as I said, most time I do these videos YouTube only. So I will do this video today and try to release it today, Tuesday. And if you don't see it today, Tuesday, when you don't see it, you can just count the days and realize when I try to say to you. Sometimes all 3 days it take. Today is what, the 16th or the 17th, I think. Somewhere there, Tuesday. I want to see what I say. Anyway, the video is all about police restraining people to be under arrest. Is a concern to me. Because these two videos, the first one, I see where 2 police officers try to arrest a taxi man. For whatever reason, I don't know. And the ordeal that these 2 police officers go through to arrest this one taxi man, I just figure more or less is lack of professionalism, lack of training, you know. And this is why most time these police officers have to resort to, you know, to what you call it now, more lethal force then, right? I think they also pepper spray this gentleman and he still try to resist arrest. I feel like the Minister of Security and the Police Federation, the government as a whole, need to start training these police officers to deal with physical confrontation without using lethal force, in probably self-defense in that way. Because even the pepper spray, I feel like is lethal force, and they're quick to resort to it and spray you, sometimes for no reason, just because they said do this and you don't do it. Them and them have a type of button now where them a carry. It's not the board button again no more. It's an extension of a button we can extend, and it's solid iron. I know a woman live on my road, it have one, and for 5 years now I don't talk to her, because me and I used to run with a little joke and stuff. Well, she claims that she walk with it for her self-defense. We run a little joke and thing, and one day I see her and I run a little joke with her, and the woman pull it out and tap me right here so with it. And people, she don't lick me too hard, but me I tell you, for days my hand hurt, me have a little swell for days. So judge, when you see an officer depend, wham, 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 upon an individual that they are trying to arrest. You understand? It just coming like lethal force. So I feel like them need some more self-defense training to help them to restrain when they want to make some arrests that people are resisting arrest. Alright, so I have that video to show you. But the most disturbing one now that drive me to do this video is one where I see a female officer, well built, trying to arrest what seems to be a parents who visited a school. For what reason, again, I don't know. But there was some instruction given to these parents. These parents refused, and based on what I heard, she pointed her finger in the police face, that is the female police, and the police take action in must hitting her or drape her up. I don't quite remember. You will see it in the video, and it start an altercation. Woman drape up officer, you know, man. When me say drape up officer hold her, she have weave here. That's why most of you women in town having them braid and something. They want to try avoid having confrontation with people, because it a gonna make you know, it a make you have a downfall, because that's the first place them a go want to hold you know. Anyway, officer hold her in the weave and she tussling and she not leg and she a show officer face and one bag of sick. I not talk about the video. I want you to watch it. It's a 7-minute water video. Start to go on till the male officer come in now, but you don't know female is best to deal with females, but although he's a male, you have to assist also. So she kind of get her one at the time for going to the vehicle, because she under arrest, and I say pop off uniform, you know. So you know what that mean. You know what that mean? Destruction of government property, because the uniform classified as government property. So you know that go. Officer chain bust off. Officer belly skin and show, blouse and that. One bag of passa. So, as me say, me have mixed reaction. This parents only make it harder on herself, despite what transpire. If what her transpire, it shouldn't reach this far. And if the police tell you come out for the compound or for the property, and you come out or whatever she said to you, you should not point your hand in her face. No matter what, the situation and the circumstances, she is the law. And you say she tell you if you come off and whatsoever, and you point your hand in her face. Anyway, then finally get her into the vehicle, and then me start to syrup. And me like 1 minute. And if the officer say, or the back turn no one, she force her in her jeep and restrain her. Remember you bite me, but it sound more like the parent I said, me glad you bite me, because now you start to syrup. So probably she feel like now she got have that as her defense. But the thing is, the whole thing they on camera. You understand? So I don't know if it's gonna work out. But my thing is, the police officers them, come on, too much time this has been happening. One single person, whether female or male, a fight off all 3 police officers. So uno come like uno no show say like uno good with you know. or on a baton or on a pepper spray. You can't physically manangle an individual to arrest them. And it not look good upon the police force. You need more physical training in what they call it now, self-defense. So when you go out there and buck up on situation like these, you know it go, you can angle it. Sometimes I some maga man against some big body people, you know. But one thing for sure, I like how this police officer, the female officer, I like how she keep her calm, she keep her cool just to try to restrain her, because she decides she go and charge her, and she go and charge her, she go and give her the full length of the law. And when we see this, so she have nearly 5 charges already. Resisting arrest, destruction of government property, disorderly conduct, occasionally bodily harm, because on that time she tried to bite the officer and dig off the officer's face. So she have a couple charges against her. So people, I want to just leave and tell me what you think in the comment section about this whole situation. And I put a little clip in it also where every day them come, the government come and them say transport and police not supposed to run down vehicle, especially public passenger vehicle. But you know, it's only when the thing happen you hear the authority come out. They're not supposed to, yes, you keep on saying they're not supposed to, but they still continue to do so. So what measures you as the authority is doing to stop it from happening? One time them used to drive down car and use the bus and mash up your car and bank you, and them say it's not supposed to happen, but they said it's still happening on a daily, regular basis. What are you doing to stop it from happening? You want to come out when it look bad and it touch the media, and come out in defense of yourself to say it's not supposed to happen, but it's something that is continuing to happen. And if you not put a stop to it, them you come out the road continue to do it. If a man will lose him work and whatsoever him can get fine feet or whatsoever, he will continue to do it. And it seems like these transport are run down this taxi. I don't know what happened, but all me can see, the taxi flip over upon it, top, turn over. So you just judge if passenger did in this taxi or whatsoever. You don't need to run. And the thing about it, most of them can identify, say, a taxi, the vehicle run, and a passenger in it. It's not like you randomly see a car suspiciously with men in it, and despite having PPV, so you go at it. You can identify, say, it was a taxi, it's just that the taxi man unruly and decide, say, now take a check from you and him sped off with passenger and you are chasing. So you put the passenger them life at risk just to catch that one person when his license plate and registration are all there that you can see. You catch him tomorrow, you still can't charge him. You catch him later, you still can't charge him. You can't call for backup. If he's not jagnet, you not have to run him down. More than you just call up the road and you know the route to him a travel, you call the nearest police station and make them set up a little. You understand? If you catch him, simple as that. You don't need to chase him. You chase him now, you put people's life at risk. And you see when the things happen, the authority come out say, boy, them not supposed to by law, and them hear that them not, but you know, do nothing for quell it. So anyway, my people, big up on yourself. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, Life is a Mission TV, go ahead and subscribe now. Check out the channel and you will see what the channel is all about. Very family oriented. Drama, cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, commentary, newscast. You know it, adventure to come. Big up on yourself and tell me in the comment section one thing. But I think I'm more or less a female officer. She restrained our own self in how she deal with the situation, because me know if I one of them they call kick in her face. Sorry for that little young miss them, man. And you have a whole heap more female officer out there where their head not good. Me sorry for her. She just glad say she woke up on one of these calm female officer who try to anger the situation. Very good. And I give her probably 90 out of it. It's just that I am saying, you know, it shouldn't take them so long. And the next thing about it, there wasn't even no handcuff with that unit. Even the pepper spray them never have. And when it's like the male officer called for backup and assistant, not really backup, but assistant, because as I said, the police close tear off now and whatsoever, and them a call for assistant and stuff, because basically one of you go drive now and she don't want to left around there probably with the female alone. I mean, and for the female drive and the male no want around there with the female, so them a call for assistant now. Assistant, she have to take the radio and say, come man, do my tear my clothes, man, and send assistant to our man. Wait, can do my tear my clothes. You know, so there's a whole heap of little things we need to sort out and fix. The system too sloppy. Too sloppy, man. Go down there, comment and tell me what you think.
Man, I run from transport in idea. That man tell you, say, see transport, brother, a problem them in a dog. Buckler.
No, but she, mommy. If you put up his hand, leg off. Mommy said, you're going to the headquarters. Okay. Going to the vehicle now, going on the vehicle. What's the leg off from me here. Mommy, going to the vehicle. You call them anytime. Go into the vehicle. Mommy said, you're going to the headquarters. Okay. Going to the vehicle now, going on the vehicle. What's the leg off from me here. Mommy, why is that? She don't know right now. She leg off from me here. Going on the vehicle. Mommy, go into the vehicle. Mommy, relax. Leg off from me here. She asked me so. Mommy, leg off from me. I want to know what. Officer. Just go in the vehicle. No, but she, mommy. If you put up his hand, leg off from me. Mommy, stop it, mommy. Hello, she come out and she say, just relax now.
Nobody. Go in that vehicle. You have to go in that vehicle.
Hey, officer, just release her here.
Release some of my shot arrest.
I want you to show the arrest. How many times I should have to close? I want you to. Now you come from the
Go in that vehicle.
Go in the vehicle. You come trouble me first. If the lady can talk to you, she can stomach. She said, come on, come on. Are you pointing on my face? Don't point at me. I lick you. May I ask you that is an assault? May I ask you me lick you? I'm going to ensure that I charge for everything. I don't care. Good. Go into the vehicle. Mommy, you're just making things worse. Relax. Jesus Christ. What's up, Shusha asked me so what kind of work I said I can not from here to this store. You come out in a house. You're not supposed to disclose my job to you.
Let someone stand down there.
You're not here. You're not here. And you come meet me first. We never did trouble you.
Let someone stand down there.
Yes, I come out and come home and I said to me and the lady I got you here to come lick me. We never lick you. I like this way. You're not here. I like it. Mommy, relax. But whether you take it or not, you're going to have to go in the vehicle. Leg off. So I say relax yourself on the let's make the leg go off from the ear.
Oh, she will release it here if you don't listen to
So release your hand. Release your hand. Release your hand from the hose.
She's going to release you.
Release your Sir, can you make sure say I have no money for buy back my chain? Just make sure I am broke. We realize. How will she be in the deep?
And then down an uncle.
Oh, where back with her girl?
not a tie strap.
Let go from it.
You have handcuff me.
Let go from it. You can't drive so let go from it. She's going to make it crash.
Yeah, you need a tie strap or something.
She alone can't go in there. She's going to make it crash. Let your bike. Let your bike. Let go from it. Let your bike. Tell them to tear off the phone. Who tear off the phone? Tell me a lie, yeah. What's going on?
Look at everything that you cover up.
Hey, woman, move from here, say now. Move from here, say. Excuse me, let me get up and go sit in the chair. Stay there, miss. So put the handcuff where you put for me. Put the handcuff. Stay there. Mister, stay. Chin. Put the handcuff for me. You see, I put the handcuff so stay for me. Stay there. Hello. Look here now. When I send the unit come to assist now, don't want you to have a clothes now. Done. Renee, come up a police station here. The police are go up a school and she has said the police have left the premises, right? I go to the gate. And when I go to the gate, she come when you so. But point up my hand, she come leave me. Never know. You point your hand in my face, tell him. Yeah, but that not your right to leave me. Yeah, idiot. The police right girl. Because you're starting. Police girl like you. So, how we are called girl? Just a girl left them here. And nobody will see what I'm going on. Let me see. So carry them stay far. Pepper spray, oh my God. Why you not play with your brother? Where Marona go? Where Marona go, Leonie? Because you're running.
So he's so a while ago.
What's your Watch out like a kid.
Good at mercy.
I deal with him, Mr. Man. Wait till him is a
What you can't manage him. This is the you say can't manage him, man.
I better that one of the handcuff him to themselves.
Handcuff him because the people them so come in with him for sale.
Why not just take the handcuff and done? Man, stop get embarrassed. Damn.
That's just but then you
You know, feel kind of, you can know, sell a film.
I don't feel bored.
Mr. Lee, can you stand me?
him still a stagger. You not take the handcuff and go along?
Actually, the cars are still waiting.
Of course, they don't get them how they walk past you. So.
Oh, she know what I see? Oh, she like them things enough to come talk. Oh, I'm going to take handcuff now. Why?
Then I might slap everything that the book put him to the member.
Why didn't you get handcuff?
He'll give up.
No, me would drive with him, so
I know. All me know.
That's why them running on the vehicle.
Yeah, but them slim. Oh God.
Look at young boy.
Yeah, the police them slim, man. They can't manage
Look
them.
at another boy. You don't coffee, man. I'm driving this. Michelle, everything that is.
I'm gonna jump out of the vehicle.
Oh, them are coffee, man, in the vehicle.
So don't do the car.
Left that. Them are gonna left it right there, so.
People just have a driver on it.
Door open. Next door open. Passenger door. Oh, not clear the road.
Yeah, just clear the road and
Call back up.
And back up.
The cars are waiting.
Watch out, so one boy I jump over a wall. You don't see?
Mm-hmm. Let them drop something.
Something for the police.
Right there. Here, my clear.
This one police vehicle here come.
Not the government drive me, break it down.
Them
I
cars.
tell the police them all booby.
Yeah, must stop him. Alright, what you know?
They will take up things so.
I said, there is already been there enough.
Police.
Are you checking?
Mightyful Father.
Tomorrow I come in over serve in case. And the youngster them man.
Oh God, them.
Some youngster did out.
Them need porridge. Cause them weeble bundle them so angle.
That is the
I said the man that run the service.
Where will I ring the price?
I told you to put in them enough.
Yeah.
Keep your hands straight, man. Keep your hands.
We got a post on this one.
Oh goodness. I'm glad me see this.
So when they listen to the camera.
Yeah, me at the van.
You might get the lock up today. Lock up.
That is that's what we
Let me see it.
The taxi man run like the police.
God, oh God, I feel it to my heart.